Luxturna, developed by Spark Therapeutics, is a groundbreaking gene therapy approved by the FDA in December 2017. It targets rare eye disorders caused by mutations in the RPE65 gene, offering hope for restoring vision and improving lives. Leber congenital amaurosis and retinitis pigmentosa are severe inherited retinal disorders leading to vision loss. Mutations in the RPE65 gene disrupt the production of retinoid isomerase, essential for vision, causing toxic byproducts to accumulate and impair retinal cells. Luxturna delivers a functional RPE65 gene directly into retinal cells using an engineered adeno-associated virus vector. This restores the production of retinoid isomerase, halting or reversing retinal degeneration and marking a significant advancement in personalized medicine. Clinical trials demonstrated Luxturna's efficacy in improving vision, especially in low-light conditions. However, outcomes vary. An 18-month-old child initially improved but later developed chorioretinal atrophy, highlighting the therapy's potential and limitations. Luxturna's journey underscores the complexities of gene therapy. Ongoing research is crucial to understand varied patient responses and ensure informed decisions. Luxturna inspires hope and progress in treating rare genetic disorders through ocular gene therapies.